Melissa Guzman here, and I am showing 1795 Union Street in Merced. It's a new listing. I'm actually really excited about it. I have a couple buyers that I have in mind for it, but if they aren't interested for some reason, I definitely want to show you what's out there. It's really cute and has tons of character, so enjoy the tour. It is only listed at $155 today, which is going to be very competitive based on the square footage and well, they haven't really updated, but they cleaned it up really nice for you. So enjoy. So we just came in through the side carport area. There is a gate and an entrance door, okay? And I mentioned this for a reason. You can see here through the side gate that they do have RV parking in a shed. Okay, maybe you can't see. RV parking in a shed right here. So lots of parking. As you enter through the side, this looks like it's the wash area because you do have the inputs here. You may need a stackable. I'm not really sure how you would arrange that through the side here, but there is space for it. You may need to take this out if you want a stackable or something like that. So, or maybe this is for the fridge. Might be for the fridge. I don't know, it's a little awkward, but still very cute. So here's the kitchen right off of the side door here. All the floors have been done. They are fresh and clean, as well as fresh paint all over, okay? So the kitchen is a little bit dated. There's still room for improvement, but it's squeaky clean and finished. So you could definitely move right in and possibly do some updates later if you really wanted to. Okay, so a beautiful kitchen nook with a bay window here, outlooking the neighborhood, which is actually really quiet and cute. Even though these cabinets are older, it kind of has that charm to it of an older home. Lots of character. So we're going into the living room. And all the windows do have coverings too, guys, which is a really nice feature. The living room is pretty spacious for being, a smaller home. And this is actually the front door. So this front door, so you do have two entryways into your house. This goes right into the neighborhood. It doesn't go to your driveway. And as you can see, the neighborhood, lots of green grass, really cute. And it has this little entryway foyer. It could be a reading nook or even a playroom or something. It's low ceiling. See, let me show you. I'm 5'3", you guys, okay? So it's not, it slants down and it's kind of short over here. And then it goes into the tall side over this way. Very interesting character trait. Big living room, ceiling fans, of course. Coming back here, it's 2-bedroom. So this is one of the bedrooms here. And again, full window coverings, fresh flooring. And this is the closet, you guys. Look at how cute this is. Yes, I know the mirror is old, but that's probably an original mirror. It's been here a really long time and it has this built-in. How cool is that for dressing? Yes, you could definitely put more closet space in there, but it's a vanity. It's made to be a vanity. Let's see, bathroom here, super cute. Kind of vintage touch with this shelf here. Stand-up shower, full fresh tile, and even storage up this way. And of course your throne and extra storage on the wall here. Lots of storage actually. So it's definitely got vintage charm, you guys, if you like that look, which I do. All right, so this is the other bedroom. Okay, and side bedroom right off of the side door. It also has a closet inside with a bench that I think they added for character, but there's lots of storage space and shelving.